What's up everyone? Welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the keeps dropping calls issue on your Honor smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all reinsert the SIM card in your phone. So take out the SIM card and clean the card with a clean cloth, and after that reinsert the SIM in your phone. And after reinserting SIM, it will fix your call dropping issue. But if you're still facing the issue, then try restarting your device. So to restart, press and hold the power button, and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches, for example the call dropping issue. So after restarting, if you're still facing the same call dropping issue, then the next solution is reset network settings. So for that, open settings. Now scroll down and click on system and updates. Now here in system and updates, click on reset and then click on reset network settings. Now here in reset network settings, again click on this reset network settings option to confirm. So when you will click on this option, it will reset all your Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after that, the call dropping issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the call dropping issue on your Honor smartphone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.